Alright guys, so we are here at Ducati Kuala Lumpur. So as you can see, this is the brand new Ducati Multistrada V4 S, and it looks like a menacing beast. Big up front, like a tiger with its mane, and this little fins here to deflect air and heat out of the engine. But most importantly, comes with this brand new V4 motor that produces 170 horsepower, quite a lot of torque. As you can see here, the latest and the greatest comes with a radar sensor that will be able to provide the bike with radar sensor cruise control, which is the first on a motorcycle. Right here it's fitted with an Akrapovic performance exhaust. Front and rear comes with Brembo, front comes with Stylema if I'm not mistaken. Carbon fender, adjustable windscreen, Brembo levers. Yeah, it's a decent package for a modern touring bike. Okay guys, so anything, contact him if you have any questions. He is able to answer any of your questions. Here's his contact details. Alright, swing a leg over it and check out what it's like to ride. As you can see, it's a keyless system and it comes with a TFT color screen. I'll put the size in the description on the screen here. Okay, let's get going. Switch gear feels pretty premium, and this bike feels like it has a lot of bike in front of me. Sitting position is quite high. Ooh, feels like magic. That electronic suspension going through these bumps feels amazing. Oh man, the damping is so quality. Right off the bat, it feels like I'm riding a Ducati, definitely a Ducati, because this is, you can feel the vibration, although it's slightly different vibrations to the twin. And the brakes just now, wow, the brakes feel completely different on a level of the strength of the brakes and as well as the feel. These come with a bit more premium brakes compared to the other models. Comes with M4s. They are expected to give better braking, and comes with quick shifter. Yep, it comes with quick shifter. I didn't check, but yes, it comes with quick shifter. The switch gear looks pretty complicated, as you can see here on the left. A lot of buttons to play with. It probably takes some time for you to familiarize with these buttons. I am 173 centimeters tall and I have to tiptoe on this bike. My inseam is here on the screen. I have to tiptoe on in order to get onto this bike, which is pretty tall. I mean, it's an adventure bike and it is generally a tall bike. Very easy to reach, turn indicators, very comfortable. The seat is like sitting on this premium sofa. So ridiculous. Oof. Bloody hell, that's a lot of power. I think the front lifted a bit there. I was on second. Okay, we are on sports mode right now. You have a few different power modes. You have urban, sports, touring, enduro. And I think I want to be in touring right now. Close the throttle. Yep, we are on activated touring mode. Very easy to control. The damping feels very plush, a bit more bouncy in comparison to the Monster, because it's less of a attacker, but it's more of a very comfortable machine. You're supposed to be able to ride this thing for hours and take you on a journey across hundreds and hundreds of kilometers at a time, and I believe this bike is definitely capable of doing so with its very plush suspension, very capable amount of power, quite nimble for a beast, to be honest. You can see here it says Multistrada V4, so you don't forget what you're on right now. The windscreen definitely does a good job in deflecting a lot of air, because I don't feel much air coming towards my face while I'm on this bike. this feels very, very premium. This feels very, very good, well designed. Side mirrors give amazing visibility. I can hardly see any of my shoulders like I do on my other bikes usually. I can see all of what's behind me. As you can see here, this is a blind spot indicator that will be able to tell you whether there's a car in your blind spot. This is something that I think that all bikes should have on in the future. I believe this bike can take me for hundreds and hundreds of kilometers without any problem. Or if you want to use it for a daily commute, it's a bit big for you to squeeze around traffic and tight spaces, but it is definitely more than capable if your commute to work involves a lot of highway cruises and as well as touring. Bloody hell, that is a lot of power. It's a lot of brake as well. Woo! Whoa! Hell, that is a lot of power. Woo, that is a lot of power. This is a powerful bike. This is not a touring bike. I am not in the right body position to have that much power. And the brakes are impressive. My God, what a machine. Ooh, the brakes, the feel, the braking power is just on a different level. Wow, handles bumps really well at speed, takes off like a rocket. Ah, brakes, amazing brakes. Ooh, very nimble. This is an amazing bike. You don't need a super bike. You just need one of these. Unfortunately, I'm not really keen on the way it looks. Otherwise, this would instantly become a dream bike of mine. The way it pulls, the way it handles, everything is just sublime. It's on a different level, guys. So much power, so much stopping power. Comfortable, but one thing as well. Well, you're on a Ducati, but there's heat coming from below the bike and heating up my nether regions very well. Therefore, heat is something that is a concern if that is something that you want to do without on a motorcycle. But it's not that excessive. It has these fins to try to direct the wind, the hot air from underneath you. Whoa! It's a touring bike. It shouldn't be able to do that. Oh, I love this bike. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, please write them in the comment section below. Hope you like this review. I'm a bit overwhelmed. I need to sit down and have a drink. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Stay safe, ride safe, and have a great day. Bye bye. I wonder what it's like in sports mode. It's crazy. So much power.